to the page number 161. Today we will just read out the words which is having sound of A, E, I, O and U. Write CW in the middle of the page and today's date, that is 16th February 2021, 16 to 2021. Okay. The first vowel is A. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Then you have T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Then you have B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Next we have E sound words. P-E-N, pen. P-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. H-N, hen. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Okay. Then you have I sound words. The sound of I is E. B-I-N, bin. B-E-N, bin. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H, it's called as ship. Okay. Ship. S-H-I-P, ship. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Then you have O sound words. The sound of O is O. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Then you have U sound words. That is A. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay. So these are the words you have to read properly. Okay. With the sound of, with the phonic sound. Okay. Then on the next page you are having one activity. Write CW and today's date. Circle the word that is different in each row. Okay, circle the word that is different in each row. Now see, there is a picture of cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay, cat, cat, cat. C-O-T, cot and cat. The different word is cot. C-O-T, cot. So you have to circle the word that is cot. Then the next picture is hen. H-E-N, hen. H-A-T, hat. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. And the picture is of hen. So what is the different? Which is a different word? H-A-T, hat. Next, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-A-N, fan. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. So which is a different word? Fan. Then D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-E-N, den. D-O-G, dog. The different word is den. Jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-A-M, jam. And J-U-G, jug. So now tell me which is a different word? J-A-M, jam. So like this, you have to circle the different word in each row. Okay. Now we'll deeply see the A sound words. Okay. Write CW and today's date. Read these A words aloud. Okay. A cat. A cat. C-A-T, cat. Now that girl is saying my cat. M-Y, my. C-A-T, cat. My cat. Now see, a sad cat on a mat. The cat is sad and she is sitting on a mat. A S-A-D, sad. C-A-T, cat. O-N, on. A mat. M-A-T, mat. A sad cat on a mat. The boy is patting a cat. Okay. P-A-T, pat, a cat. C-A-T, cat. Pat, a cat. So these are the sentences, small sentences with a sound word. Okay, you have to read them loudly, you have to read them properly. Okay, now we are having activity. Write A to make words. Read them aloud. Okay, what they have done, they have given you some words, but they have not written letter A. So you have to write the letter A to make the word. Okay, one they have done for you. See, M-A-T, mat. Like this you have to just write A. F they have written and T they have written. You just have to write A. F-A-T, fat. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. Like this you have to write the A to frame words. Okay, to complete the words. Okay, on the next page, color the name of each picture. This is your homework part. Write HW and write today's date. What you have to do, you have to look at the picture, recognize the picture, and where is the spelling of picture, that rectangle box you have to color. Now C-A-T, cat, and D-E-N, den. The picture is of cat. So this is spelling of cat, C-A-T, cat. So that circle, that box you have to color. Okay. Write CW and today's date. Name the pictures. Write the missing letters. Again you just have to write A. See. This is the picture of cat. So just you have to write A. C-A-P, cap. The picture is of pan. P-A-N, pan. Then the picture is of bag. B-A-G, bag. And then man. M-A-N, man. Now you have to look at the picture. The next activity is look at the picture and write its name. Okay, आपको name लिखना है. So which is this picture? Can you recognize? This is the picture of tap. नल. नल को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? टैप. So write T A P, tap. Okay. Then the next picture is of jam. J A M, jam. Then hat. H A T, hat. F A N, fan. इसे आपको पिक्चर रिकॉग्नाइज करके उनका नाम लिखना है. ओके, टर्न द पेज. Again write CW. Just will read out the rhyming words with A sound words. Okay, rhyming words हमने सीखे हैं. जो words रहते हैं उनका ending sound same आता है, उन्हें हम rhyming words बोलते हैं. Okay. See now. B-A-T, bat. See, the two ending words are given in red color. Everywhere the ending letters are given in red color. So it sounds same. Why they have given in red color? Because it sounds same. The ending sound is becomes same. Okay. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. M-H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. S-A-T, sat. F-A-T, fat. Okay. जो इनका एंडिंग साउंड है वो क्या है? सेम है. इट्स अ सिमिलर साउंड. ओके. बैट, कैट, हैट, मैट, सैट एंड फैट. देन the ending sound is A-N-N. Okay. A-N-N. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. C-A-N, can. R-A-N, ran. Okay. The ending sound is same, that is an. The next is app. The ending sound is app. The all words ending sound is app. C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. L-A-P, lap. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. G-A-P, gap. So the ending sound is similar. Okay. Then you have A-D, add sound words. S-A-D, sad. P-A-D, pad. D-A-D, dad. B-A-D, bad. H-A-D, had. The ending sound is same, that is add. Okay. So you have to read this very neatly. Okay. Sorry, properly. The next activity is match the words that sounds the same. F-A-T, fat. So you just have to find out the ending sound is same. Okay. F-A-T, fat. There is a C-A-T, cat. Then V-A-N, van. M-A-N, man. S-A-D, sad. D-A-D, dad. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. ऐसे आपको जो राइमिंग वर्ड्स है वो साउंड उनका सेम आएगा, वहाँ पे आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करके मैच करना है. ओके, सो दीज 3 pages are your class work and 1 page is your homework. Okay, thank you.